Box series. Prepare 2 identical ceramic cups and drop them vertically from the same height onto the spacewalking floors and tiles respectively. The testing result shows spacewalking flooring is more elastic and protective than ceramic tiles. Conduct a scratch test with a 2,500 gram weight. By scraping at a constant speed on normal SPC flooring, engineered wood flooring, and spacewalking flooring, we can find tests show that BBL spacewalking flooring has excellent scratch resistance. Whether it's the movement of furniture or packed cloths, it's hard to leave marks on its surface. The flooring beauty can be maintained for a longer period.